I'm Hayden with Vulcan Line Tools, and today we're going to be talking about our tool, the WaveTimer. The WaveTimer is designed to measure sag and overhead conductors using something called the return wave method. If you're familiar with sagging with stopwatch, jerk sag, these are other methods used to determine sag using a return wave. So essentially how this tool works is you will start recording, you will grab the line, you will pop it, sending a wave down to the next pole, it will bounce back, and by accurately timing that return wave, you can instantly get an accurate measurement of the sag. So simply pull the line and then wait for that return wave to come back. This method allows us to very accurately and quickly calculate how much sag is in a span. This device can be utilized to test tangent spans during construction, or can be used to audit a system to determine the sag values in certain spans. Our device has a rugged design with a rubberized housing and waterproofed internals. We use a standard 9-volt battery. No cords or rechargeable batteries are required. The device is also Bluetooth capable, which allows us to connect to our Vulcan Line Tools app, which is free on the App Store. Standard Bluetooth range is currently 75 feet. We currently offer 2 different versions of the WaveTimer, one for distribution and one for transmission lines. To utilize the WaveTimer, first click the yellow button to turn the device on. Once the device is on, you will see a green light displayed on the LED. Next, you want to set the locking mechanism open and set the device on the line either using your hand or a shotgun stick. It is important to set the device on the line roughly 4 feet from the insulator for distribution lines and up to 8 feet from the insulator on transmission lines. This helps ensure that clean, accurate waves are sent down the line. Once the device is on the line, we're going to open up the Vulcan Line Tools app and connect to the device via Bluetooth. Once we have connected to the device on Bluetooth, you will see that the status LED turns blue. This means the device is ready. You will also notice a temperature on the home screen of the app. This is the actual conductor temperature grabbed from an infrared sensor on the back of the device. This infrared temperature sensor shoots a laser getting actual conductor temperature so that you know exactly what temperature the conductor is at. Once you are ready, you will press start. You will see the status LED blinking blue, which means the device is ready for you to send a wave. Firmly grab the conductor or hook the conductor with your shotgun stick and send a strong, firm wave down the line. If you notice here on the screen, we have success that the return wave was accurately calculated. Select OK and then calculate to see what the sag value is. It is important to visually check and ensure that the red dot is at the bottom of the first return wave. To change the units of sag, simply tap the sag value to convert it to feet. And to convert the first return wave time into third or fifth, simply tap that value as well. If the device responds with wave not found, you can choose to either send another wave down the line, or you can choose to select the wave manually. To do this, select wave manually and then select the little slider to allow you to drag that red dot. When manually selecting a wave, it is important that the red dot sits at the bottom of the first return wave. It is also important to remember to dampen the line out between measurements. Any vibration or swinging in the line can affect your next measurement. One of the features that you can utilize within our app is the ability to load in your utility sag charts. This will allow you to calculate target sags so that you know exactly, based on your standards, what sag value the span should be. To do this, we're going to select the LB icon in the lower left-hand corner and we're going to go to Target Sag. We will import your utility sag chart and now fill out the options. We'll select our condition, the ruling span, the span length, select our conductor, and the temperature that is pulled from the device temperature sensor. We will hit calculate and it will tell you what sag the device should be at based on your utility sag charts. We will then hit back and see that that target sag is displayed in the app. This will now show you, based on the temperature, what sag the span should be at to meet your standards. To save all of this to a PDF, simply click the PDF button and put your name, company, any job notes, and add a picture if you'd like. Export as a PDF and then you can save this to your device, email, or text. On the PDF, you will see the device serial number, the company, the user, the time it was recorded, as well as the GPS location. You will then see the conductor temperature, the conductor sag, as well as the return wave time. Below that, you will see the utility sag charts that you used to calculate your target sag. Another feature on our app is the ability to estimate tension from the sag value. To do this, click the LB icon in the lower left corner, select Tension Estimator, and then select what conductor you are measuring. If you do not see your conductor, you can simply enter the specs under Custom. Select which conductor you are using, enter the span length, and the device will give you an estimation of the tension in this span. If you are using the device on spans that have greater than 25 feet of sag, you will want to change the device settings. To do this, go to the question mark and then move the slider from 25, 100, or 250 feet. This will adjust the time that the device records to ensure that a return wave is captured. Here at Vulcan Line Tools, we enjoy working with utilities. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to reach out. We love tailoring our products to utility-specific needs. Visit our website at vulcanlinetools.com for more information on our products or to reach out.